So hey friends, Vicki and I are out here at Lake Whitney this weekend hanging out with our friend RV Tollers, and she's getting her kayak out. I wanted to share that with you. It's pretty cool. And what kind of kayak is that? What's it called?
Tuck Tack.
Tuck Tack?
Yeah, Tucktec, I think.
Cool. Oh, it's cold, so it's not.
Yeah, it's harder to do when it's cold.
Not as pliable. Yeah, Vicki, he will stand on that other end. Well, that's nifty neato in the words of the Dan man. Well, whoever came up with this, I tell ya.
Oh, I know. Okay.
Awesome. And you are ready to float.
Yeah.
And off they go. And off she goes. So hey friends, I got a new toy and I wanted to share it with you. This is a quad HD Wi-Fi dash cam. It's made by the company called VIOFO, VIOFO. They sent it to me and they wanted me to do a little review on it, so sure, why not? So I haven't opened it yet. I'm just getting everything out of the box, see what comes with it. Looks like lots of cords. That. Interesting. And this must be the little dash cam. Oh, isn't that cute? Well, that's just adorable. So on the back it says Wi-Fi, mic, and record. Going to have to read the directions. Also comes with a dash cam hardwire kit, a micro SD card, and a remote control, Bluetooth remote control. And this is, I guess, just an adapter if you want to plug it into a cigarette lighter receptacle instead of hardwiring it. So that's pretty cool. Nifty neato. So I thought what I'd do is, like I said, I'm going to read the directions. figure out how to set it up in the van, and I'm going to compare and contrast it to my old dash cam. This is just that one that I got from Walmart about 3 years ago. It does okay, nothing fancy, absolutely nothing fancy. So I wanted to, like I said, compare and contrast to this new one. Something tells me the new one's going to be a lot clearer and a lot better. So I'm excited. I'm going to try it out. When we leave the lake here, I will, like I said, I'll run them both at the same time so we can compare and contrast. So if you're interested in learning more about this company, I will put a link below, and I'll actually put a link to this specific camera so you can check it out. I think they run about $99 retail, so I believe I've got a 10% off code. If I do, I will put that in the description below for you, just in case you need a new dash cam. Alright, so what are we learning?
About your VIOFO camera.
Alright.
Your new dash mount. Did it come with the memory card?
It did.
Have you inserted it?
I have not. I was waiting for the go-ahead.
We can insert it. Step one.
Step one. Well, Vicky's going to try the whole kayak thing. Bye, Vicky.
Bye. Steaks are in the fridge.
All right, thanks. Well, look at her go. She's not even going in circles. Tammy told her to power in. So that's her power. Cider's like, but I'm not done, Mom.
Oh, no, not at all. I think Cider's ever done running in the water.
No. Look at her. That's hysterical. Well, here she comes. So it looks like they're having a gender reveal party down there in Dan's spot. Lots of people here this weekend. Very, very lovely. Oh, I think it's a girl. It's a girl. Yay. Way to litter a campground. Yeah. Alright, there I've got my cameras placed. I really messed up this morning when I put the new camera on. I thought it was straight. I was putting it on from the back. It wasn't straight. But anyway, I also figured out that I cannot charge them both at the same time. So I can only run one at a time, which is fine. I can still do a compare and contrast. So anyway, that's what we've got. I can't take that camera back down, so it's just going to have to stay a little wonk. So this is the new VIOFO camera. Looks like a very clear picture. I should have angled it up a little bit so I didn't get the dashboard reflection, but... And then this is the old $25 camera from Walmart. Again, it is kind of angled up higher so you don't see the reflection. So I really like this new camera. It's got a really good, it's nice and steady. And it does have a good picture. Now, I could not get the old camera to even film this day for whatever reason. So I just got some old footage from a trip that I took not long ago, just so you can compare and contrast. But yeah, I do like this new camera. Like I said, I'm going to angle it up a little bit next time, and I will definitely be using it on future road trips. So there you go. I will let you know how it works as I get used to it more. This was a lovely weekend at Lake Whitney. I always hate when I have to leave this place. It is such a lovely place to be. Y'all take care. Stay lost, my friends.